Airport is amongst the most safe airports operated by Airport Authority of India, said Director of Goa Airport Gagan Malik. In an interview with Goa News Now, Malik said that during peak COVID period, AI staff put their lives on stake while handling relief flights and ensured to the travelers that they are passing through safe zone. All this was possible because AI adopted all necessary amenities, sanitization facilities at the airport. Gagan Malik told Goa News Now reporter Naval Mainkar.
Airport Authority at Goa International Airport is putting its best foot forward. We are continuously enhancing the passenger facilitation. We have put ATRS, automatic fare retrieval system, so the queuing time at security check is reduced. Automatically trays which are being felt that they need to be examined, that luggage automatically gets on the another line so that it is screened separately and all that. So this saves a lot of time for the people who are in the queue. We have aesthetically tried to improve the inside and outside of the terminal. We have created more spaces in the terminal building, in sense by augmenting the space utilization. And during COVID time, there's no doubt our team has worked very well and still working very well. We have put our lives on stake when nobody was coming out of his homes, and my people were working at the airport during COVID peak period, when foreign flights, relief flights were coming from abroad. So we are still taking all the precautions, sanitization, disinfection, announcements, and at times we do the drive for people who are not wearing masks. They are being challaned inside the terminal building. So that kind of a thing we are trying to put in place, where any passenger, any guest of ours who's traveling through this airport, whether either coming or going, should not have any fear in his mind. He should feel that he is passing through a safe area or he is coming to a safe area. I won't say that I'm only safest, but yes, we are among the most safe airports, because taking all the credit for Goa won't be justified. There are other people who are doing great job at their airports, must be doing it. But as far as Goa is concerned, we are taking all precautions possible. We have got on escalators, we have put UV filters, so the belt which is rotating is getting UV sanitized. Lifts, we have provided paddles, so you need not to press the buttons with your hands. Our air conditioning system, all the filters are being UVs, are working under UV light, so all the bacterial growth or anything, any viruses and all these things are killed. So because the air which is being supplied within the terminal building is thoroughly treated. So a lot of efforts have been put into. We are working very hard for it.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.